Yo, what's up? You might see my latest video so far, and that's still rain. It's been pretty wet. I haven't been able to do 10 subs. I'm not sure if it'll be that exciting. I don't really feel like doing anything, but I want to try and do it for you guys. I just want to make you guys happy and something. But yeah, it's raining a lot. I don't know how long it's been raining. Pickens are wet. Chuk Chuk here in second video I made. Goth Chuk. Yes, that's her name. She's pretty wet. This is built different, so she's just been sitting out there in the rain, eating worms. These do. And yeah, it's been really wet. I'm gonna try to do something inside. Maybe build Legos, make a stop motion video. I'm not sure, guys, but it's just really wet. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.